everyone, welcome to Roman's Kitchen. So I have a really unique recipe for you. Today I'm going to introduce how to make a vegetable pakora. It's very yummy, very traditional, and it's always good. So let's start with it. So I have the basin, 1 cup of basin. I have a zira, 1 teaspoon, 1.5 salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and coriander powder. So this recipe we just need 4 spices and 1 basin, like a cup of basin. So I have a potato, 1 potato I already peeled, and green cilantro, green chili 1, and that's always options. If you like spicy you can, or if you don't want it you don't have to. And half onion. So it's really good for to make at least 10 pieces of the vegetable pakoras. So let's start it. Okay, so I chopped the green fresh coriander and the green chili. I chopped it not really very thin, but at least you can taste the flavor. So in vegetable pakoras, everything basically not really thin, a little bit you can see it's not too thick, not too thin. So I got the onions chopped. So basically everything is chopped and ready. So now, so I got the 1 cup of basin, it's ready. So now I'm going to add the salt, zira, black pepper, and the powder, dhania powder. So it's coriander powder. Now the fresh ingredients, the green coriander, green chili, potatoes, and onions, potatoes together. Okay, so you can see everything is there now. So now we have to add some water and mix it. So it should be not too liquid. So it should be very thick, better that you can make the pakoras. So now everything is ready. Now I'm going to add some water in it. Okay, so the water, so I always do very little water at a time, so the too much water. And one more thing, so I did not add the red chili because I don't like too much red chili in vegetable pakoras. I like, because it's vegetable, so we should have the green, more green, like a stuffed green chili. Okay, so you can see that I add the basin and potatoes, everything in it, and all the spices in it, and you can see that how nicely, and it's covered everything. Now you can see it's not too liquid, not too hard. So it's supposed to be this type of we need it the pattern to be to make the vegetable pakoras. Okay, so you can see the oil is getting hot. The vegetable pakora is ready, and now we're going to deep fry it. So always make sure if it's too liquid, add some more besan in it, so that you can not make like a too skinny ones. So I always like a little bit puffy and like a crispy. It tastes so good, and it's pure vegetarian dish and simple, easy, quick. You can try for appetizers, or some people eat actually as a dinner or lunch because it's healthy. So just try, it's a very unique recipe. Okay, so I always use a medium type, like a medium spoon. So I have to check the oil is ready. So yes, so oil is ready. I'm going to add this, and I will show you how much I'm taking. So basically it's like a 1 spoon, and you can make a bigger, but I like this size. My niece is she's a vegan, so she always asks me to make something vegan for her and make a video for the vegan people, and this is the best vegan appetizer. So try this one and you will probably love this recipe. Very simple, very quick. Okay, so you can see it's cooking really good, and look how like you can see how crispy, not too thick, not too thin. So it's like a really good consistency of the besan, that you don't need to have too much besan that and you can't taste the flavor of the potatoes, onions, and a green chili and all the spices. So this is a really good way to make the vegetable pakoras. And you can see now it's getting brown. So I always do the medium brown because I don't like a too burn, but you can still see the color of it. Okay, so I just keep turning the sides. It won't get like a one side cooked and not the other one. So you can see how nicely it's cooking. So I always turn the stove to a low flame. So now you can see how brownish golden color, and still you can see the green coriander and the potatoes. So now the time to take it out. I always use this one so the oil comes out, really everything comes out. So I dish out on the plate, so you can see how golden brown, and you can still see all the ingredients in it. I always like with the ketchup, so I'm going to try one and see how the taste is. Super hot, so be careful. You can see how crispy. Everything blends to such a good way that you can still enjoy all the ingredients and the besan and everything. So please do try this recipe. Very simple, very quick, and it's always yummy. And if you don't have time, come to Aroma, we can make it for you. This is our a really popular appetizer, and it's a really good appetizer, very healthy, and it's totally vegan for vegetarian peoples, and it's always good. And please do try this, and if you don't have time, come to Aroma, we can make it for you. 715 East 12300 South, Draper, Utah, and I will please do subscribe my channel, and you will get a new videos, and I will come back with the new recipes and new videos.